Hey folks, welcome back to Selenium WebDriver series. In this video, let's talk about how the right click in Selenium works. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. Here, I have taken a dummy application where on click of this box, right click, so it shows up another alert window, basically JavaScript alert window. So on click of that, we must be able to see the pop-up disappears, correct? So in certain applications, we will be having a right click, okay? So how to handle? Only when you, in mouse, if you click on this, right click, then only this other actions will work. So how I can perform with a, in Selenium. So that is what we will see. So for that, first we will go and then create another new class. Let's copy couple of things here and then create. Let's say right click. Okay. And then select this finish. Okay. Let's paste this. So let's put in this URL. So we are just launching, and then after that, on click of this, let's inspect this and see the element. So on click of this, so we have to click on it. So here we can see that there is an ID. We can use this ID, correct? ID would be only one, correct? So that's why let's create web element. Let's say box is equal to driver dot find element y dot ID and then put this ID. So we inspected and then we got the um, locator for the element also. Let's import this. So now what we need to do is first we have to, if we want to perform right click, first we have to start by creating the object of the actions class. So actions action is equal to new actions. And then remember you have to pass the driver here. Okay. And then import this actions class. So first to perform the right click in Selenium, we have something called context click. Can you see? So on the target element, you can perform the context click. So context click in the sense right click. Okay. So to perform a right click, we have to use this context click on this box. First, we will perform click on this and let's see whether it works or not. So yes, it just launched. So what did we miss? Did you notice? So we missed perform. So that's where perform is important. If we do not add perform at that time, it won't perform any action. Okay. Either you can use build.perform also. So now let's run it. Yes. Can you see? Now it clicked on this box so that we got this pop-up, JavaScript pop-up. Okay. So now we will handle that pop-up as well. So how we can switch to the pop-up and then we can accept it? Do you remember? So in the alert video, we have already discussed about it, how we can handle the JavaScript alert. So you can, check all that details in that video. So what we can do is drive it out, switch to, first we have to switch to that alert window, switch to dot alert and then we can just click on the accept so that even it clicks on the OK also. And then let's perform driver.quit. Okay, yes, it performed perfectly fine. So we will add some sleep here so that you will be able to see what happened. Okay, so let's add some 2 seconds of sleep here, and then after clicking on this, let's add some uh, red dot sleep, some 2 seconds of wait. Let's add this. Okay, now let's run. So you'll be able to see what exactly happened. So can you see it clicked and then yeah. So everything worked fine and then even the driver dot quit also happened. So this is how we can use the context click method to perform right click on any element. Okay, so make sure when you get this in your application, you are just making sure that you are able to perform right click with the help of the context click method, and also remember we have to use the perform as well. Then only it will be able to perform the action. So hopefully you learned how we can perform right click on any element. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.